This is how you can install most of Artika's flush mount ceiling lights. Always refer to the instruction manual for all the steps.
As a general contractor, I love a fixture with a lot of style that's still easy to install. I'm excited to show you just how simple it can be to install your new Athos LED flush mount light.
Let's make sure we've got all the pieces. Lay everything out and match it with the manual to avoid surprises later.
First, insert the junction box screws into the electrical box threaded holes. Next, place the LED ceiling light on the junction box screws. Using a pen or pencil, mark the mounting holes through the LED ceiling light. Now, remove the LED ceiling light from the junction box screws. Then, drill the marked holes for the retaining screws. Insert the wall anchors into the drilled holes. Now connect the wires. Attach the wire connectors, tuck the wires back in place, and reinstall the LED ceiling light into the junction box screws. Insert the retaining screws through the mounting holes into the previously installed wall anchors. Your LED ceiling light is now flush with the ceiling. Install the diffuser. Once in place, rotate clockwise until the tabs lock into position. And that's a wrap. Your new Athos LED flush mount light is up, installed, and ready to illuminate your room with elegance.